Morning students, let's continue with the same chapter, How Drotty Saved the Scarecrow. Children, in this story, I have explained about Scarecrow, Drotty, Tin Man and Oz in first part of video. So, when Drotty started travel to Emerald City, she met two wonderful creatures on way. First, Drotty met a scarecrow. And after that, Drotty met a tin man who was in grown. So today I am going to start story from how Drotty helped the tin man. So look carefully in your book. Drotty asked tin man, "Is there something I can do for you?" asked Drotty politely. "Get an oil can and oil my joints," he answered. Who answered? The tin man answered to Drotty that you can bring some oil and oil my joints. Drotty ran and found the oil can in the tin woodman's cottage. The tin woodman instructed her where to put the oil. Who instructed Drotty? That tin woodman instructed where you put the oil. In just few minutes, the tin man could move about easily. When Drotty put oil on the joints of tin man, after that, tin man can move easily. He thanked Drotty and said, "I might have stood there always if you had not come along. But how did you happen to be here in this strange land?" So, Tin Man thanked Drotty that you put oil on my joints. After that, I can move. Otherwise, I am always in groan. But how can you are here in city of strange land? Then Trotty answered, "We are going to see the great Oz. I want him to help me get back to Kansas, and the scarecrow want to him to put some brains in his head." She replied. Who replied? Trotty replied to Tin Man that we are going to see the great Oz because I want to go back home and Scarecrow wants some brains. The Tin Man said, "Do you suppose Oz can give me hurt?" Then Tin Man asked to Drotty that Oz can give me hurt. Then Drotty said, "Why, I guess so," Drotty said cheerfully. So the Tin Woodman joined them on journey. Who again joined the journey? The Tin Man. So there were Drotty, Toto, Scarecrow and Tin Man on the journey. Now, Drotty and her companions continue walking through the thick woods. She nearly missed a heartbeat when a great lion ran onto the road. Little Toto barked at Beast with all his might. The lion opened his mouth to bite Toto. On an impulse, Drotty rushed forward and slapped the lion upon his nose and yelled out, "Don't you dare bite Toto. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, a big bully like you, pouncing upon a poor helpless creature." Here, meaning of yelled is screamed, and pouncing means attack. So, when they met a lion, lion wanted to bite Toto, and Drotty shouted on lion that, "How can you bite Toto? You are a big creature, and how can you are punching a poor creature who was helpless?" I know it, but how can I help it? Said Lion. Who said? Lion said to Dorothy that I know I am big and Toto is small, but how can I help it? So the scarecrow stopped for a moment and then he said, maybe you could ask Oz to give you courage and strength. Then a scarecrow suggested the lion, if you said the Oz that he can give you courage and strength. Dorothy, the scarecrow, and the Tin Woodman invited the lion to join them on their journey. The lion readily agreed to accompany them. So, after hearing Scarecrow, Lion ready to accompany Dorothy, Scarecrow and Tin Woodman. So, all are going to Emerald City to meet the Great Oz. So children, today homework for you. You will read 2 or 3 times this chapter and write at least 30 words in your rough notebook. Thank you.